Welcome to Go Mine. Follow us through the 400 ton per hour alluvial gold plant, design, manufacturing and assembly phase. When designing an alluvial gold plant, we have to take various factors into consideration. Clay content in the feed material. Size of rocks in the feed material. Average gold particular size. Specific gravity of the feed material. Intended tonnage required by the customer per hour. Availability of process water. Once all our required information is collected, the design phase starts. This plant is an assembly of 9,860 individual components, each designed separately and assembled on the computer using SolidWorks design software. Floor plans, process flow diagrams, 3D renderings and electrical drawings is then submitted for final approval by the customer. Once approved, the project is priced and we submit our quotations for final approval. Then we start doing what we love, and that is to laser cut each individual part and to fabricate the thousands of components that will eventually come together on site. While fabricating, our site teams are preparing the concrete slabs, building, tailing and water dams, laying electrical cabling and preparing the site for the arrival of the plant. Assembly on site is generally fast, because all the components are precision engineered and fabricated to the highest standard, fitting together precisely. Once fully assembled, we start our testing procedures. Individual component run tests. Beld tracking. Water system test. Electrical and emergency stop test. Finally, complete plant dry run. After passing all these tests, we start the plant at 20% load and increase the feed rate over several hours to 30%, over specified tonnage rating, ensuring the plant copes with the load and that there are no material spillages in the system. Now we can hand over the plant with its operator's manual, start and stop procedures and maintenance handbook. The Go Mine team will then stay for a few days to train the operators and staff, ensuring a problem-free operation. The client can now decide if he wants a maintenance or service level agreement to keep our expert eye on his operation. Speak to one of our plant design specialists for all your gold plant requirements to assist you in building a plant that delivers.